Welcome to Wayne's RC. Okay, that's Wayne's RC World, by the way. We got an unboxing to do with a brand new Freewing twin 64mm A10 Thunderbolt version 3. Okay, this is the all new mold, all new design. It's got lights, it's got shock absorbing aluminum gear retracts, and I'm assuming it's got a bigger battery bay because it can hold 6S. This is a 6S bird, which is another improvement. The version 2 is a 4S bird, and it's got formation lights, or slime lights, as some people say. Okay, let's see, we got more tape. It's hard to get out of there. Okay. Okay, get her out of the box. Here's the manual. Little blue box, control board instructions, and your ESC manual. Always a good manual from Freewing. Here's my knife. Don't have to grab another one. So we've got a couple of spars to get out here. Oh, we got a livery. Drop my knife. I don't know how many different liveries, you can't remember, but find out. I really don't know what those are. I guess they're not different liveries, but they're some decals. Water slide, I believe. No steps. Looks like little, oh, those are little teeth. I don't know where they go, but we'll find out what the manual's for. Okay, looks like we gotta go get them wired, which are always handful. I see all of mine. This is another different length. I've got long ones, I got short ones, I got bigger ones. Oh. There's the one spar. It must be for the wings. They're identical. And let's see. You got the little radar. I think that's what it is. And it looks like we got screw-on ventral fins. Lots of screws. Looks like they're all the same size. Little ends for the spars. You can glue them in there, and extra ball link connectors. sure there's a mess of ordnance with this plane. Gotta get my knife. Get one of the wings out. All my debris down there. That's got quick release wings. I love those. I really do. And you can see the rivet. Little rivet marks all over. Nice detail. There's your aluminum struts. Shock absorbing. Flaps. All ball link. And it's got the horns that are actually go all the way through and are screwed on, which I love. They're already connected. Lights. That's nice, really nice. Looks like you got a navigation light and a blinking light. Nice, 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 nice. So I got the big, if you watch my channel, you know I got the big Twin 80. And that takes two 6-cell batteries. So this, if I just want to charge a few batteries and put it in my vehicle, and I can take it to the field. So the big one. Don't have a lot of time, you know. To charge and load up that big kahuna. You can just take this one to the field. Another wing. So first, no damage. Rivets. A little bit of plastic here on the leading edge of the wing. And your quick connects. You see a lot of places to put your ordnance, but I don't normally use ordnance. Can't say I never have, but you know, everything just seems to fly better with without ordnance. Okay, so double decker box. What do we got going here? There it goes. Pod on the bottom. There's your PDF pods. This one is open. Okay. Like I didn't drop it. Okay. This isn't plastic on the outer edges, but plug in. You don't have to connect any Any wires, you just pop it on there. Quick connect. Yep. 4 screws mounting. Look like outrunners. Yeah, they are, because you know the A10 doesn't have afterburners, so they can put in runner or outrunners on here. Okay, sweet. Let's get another comb pad out there. And all the ornaments I most likely won't be using. There's 2 of them. Cannon. Missiles. Don't know what these are. Missiles or tanks, one or the other. Instead of keeping these, a lot of times I just toss them. And so much stuff, I don't know what to do with it all. Another cannon for the other side. And here is your... This one I do have to cut open. Your elevators. Stuck. Oh, they cut a hole for it. Okay. Oh, I see. These are your rudders, not your elevators. And they do screw on. You can see that. There's your slime light. Your formation lights. Get the riveted detail. Dog Patcher's livery. I don't know where that's out of, but pretty cool. Pretty cool. And here's your elevator. Servos are already plugged in. One forward and reverse. Okay, no rivets on this. Apparently there isn't any on the horizontal stabilizer. But all nylon hinges, and servos are already connected. Well, let's see. Got anything else in here before I take out the fuse? Doesn't look like it. Well, if I knew they were going to come out with the Twin 64 upgraded, with all these great upgrades, I probably wouldn't have bought the big one. But, wow, that's nice. All the decals are already installed. Under there's your nose gear with a landing light. There's your quick connects. And after you hook up your ESCs, maybe one more in there. Yep. There we go. Your little tail light. Slime light here on the side. Oh, okay. See, the hatch is back here. Get that out for you. Okay. There's the battery bay. Whoop. Oh, these are just for shipping purposes. I wouldn't throw them though, you never know when you can need them. Short carbon rods. Plastic clad. Canopy is not, but the fuselage and the battery bay has plastic, which is nice. That's nice. And you got a pilot figure. Pretty cool one. A nice canopy. Yeah, don't know where I'm going to put my receiver. I'm probably going to mount it right here on the side. Looks like I got a 8-channel Spectrum receiver I'm going to put in here. Okay, there's your quick connects. Ventilation for the ESCs, or for the, yeah, goes over your batteries, I suppose. Not for your ESCs. ESCs are in the EDF pods. There's your connections where you put on your horizontal stabilizer. Pretty nice, pretty nice. It's got it's got a light up here on your top of your canopy. I never knew that. That's a nice touch. Okay. Let's see, is there a magnet? No, just a spring-loaded little pin. And I don't think this lights up the cannon up front gun like the Twin 80. All right, there you go. That's the unboxing of the A10 Twin 64mm upgraded V3. Thanks for watching.